Want to watch Disney Plus without ads? Head over to disneyplus.com. You can find my affiliate link in the description below. Using it helps support the channel at no extra cost to you and takes you directly to the official Disney Plus website. Once you're there, scroll down to the bundle section. The cheapest bundle currently is Disney Plus and Hulu. To get rid of the ads, you need to select the premium bundle, which is currently $17.99 per month. Note that even with the premium plan, live content still includes ads. Go ahead and select a suitable premium bundle for you and click Select. Next, create your MyDisney account or sign in if you already have one. Enter your email address and password, and then continue to the checkout page. Review your plan, enter your payment information using a credit card or PayPal, and complete your purchase. Once your subscription is active, you can start watching. If you already have the standard Disney Plus plan, simply sign into your account and go to Account to upgrade to Disney Plus Premium. Your new plan will take effect once the upgrade is processed. I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to support the channel, the best way is by using my affiliate link in the description. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.